We are going to bless some teachers today. They think they're joining us just for a little conversation about why we love teachers, which we do, but there's something else planned. Here we go. You think that I'm just connecting with you personally, and I am today, which I want to do. But we have a couple of other things in store for you guys. This is Tom Kidd from Structured Foundation Repairs. We both have a heart for teachers. We both have teachers in our families. We just cannot thank you enough, not just for the job that you do. It's the weekends, it's the evenings, it's how many hours you pour into the kids, especially during this really difficult time.
I know you guys do a bunch for our kids, and my wife was the teacher. So we wanted to bless you guys today and give you a gift card for anything that you want. You can use it on your kid, you can use it on yourself, your spouse, your whatever. We're going to give each of you $500.
That's incredible. Thank you. Oh my
Thank you so much. That's amazing.
Most of us are kind of speechless.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's a lot of money for a teacher.
Yes, it is.
I know that each and every one of you didn't do this because it pays a ton or that you wanted to work the bare minimum. I know that you did it for all the right reasons. If you guys were here, I would hug each and every one of you. And so would Tom.
I would hug you back.
Yay! I'll take the hugs. Bill, so tell us where you're teaching and what you do.
I teach at Prestonwood Christian Academy, and I've taught middle school math for the past 11 years.
What are you going to do with it?
I'm thinking a class party because fifth graders love class parties.
I work at a school in Garland, and I'm a special education teacher.
I work at Reuben Johnson Elementary in McKinney, Texas. I'm a second grade teacher. Part of me wants to spend it on my students, and then the other half on my personal kids.
We already know you spend your own money on your classrooms. That's the whole thing, is we know this. So if you bless yourselves and your families, please do.
I'd like to make a little beach in my classroom so we can have a little getaway. I don't know. The sky's the limit.
So if you build the beach in your classroom, can I come visit and wear flip-flops?
Absolutely. You're welcome anytime.
I teach in HEB ISD in Bedford, and I teach kindergarten, and this is my first year teaching. It's been a lot, and so I think I'd use the $500 to help my kids.
Oh, welcome to teaching, my love.
I teach first grade in Mansfield. I also have two babies. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. It'll probably go to them.
I am so glad this helps you, and I hope it encourages you.
I am a pre-K teacher. This is my 13th year. I'm in Fort Worth. I started doing like STEM and STEAM in my classroom for my pre-K, like young engineers. My mind just got to racing of little things that I can like buy to kind of build that up for them. I might buy some for myself, but probably not. But I'm just speechless. Thank you.
I can see that you're actually there in your classroom right there. And I can see how much time and love you have put into that classroom.
I work at Mountain Peak Elementary in Midlothian. This is my 15th year. We could really use it right now. My husband is working a lot less than he normally did, so it's been a little tight. So this is perfect.
I think God just knows what you need, and there's a reason you're here today.
This is my second year teaching. I actually work in Grand Prairie ISD at a middle school. I teach science. Me and my husband are planning on starting a family this year, so it'll probably be saved and going to that. To all of y'all teachers, I know we all deserve it.
Thank you all for giving us this opportunity to speak love into your life. From myself and my friend Tom Kidd from Structured Foundation Repairs, God bless you all. Continue to speak love into your classrooms, and we hope that this is a small way that we can tell you how much we appreciate what you do.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Special thanks to Crannell and Martin Engineering, Hole-in-One Plumbing, Crosstown Engineering, and Tom Kidd and the team at Structured Foundation Repairs.